Hello and welcome, Buhle Betfu, to yet another exciting episode of your favorite show. And of course, this is my favorite show. My name is Nelliso Makanya. And today, the traveling has not stopped. We are bringing you the best of the land once again. We are here at Mhlume Country Club for the Gold Races 2023 experience. It's amazing. It's exciting. We want to see exactly what is it that is happening with the Gold Races. It's my first experience having this wonderful opportunity to be here just to see golds running around. I'm sure you'll be excited as I am to see what went about in this awesome event that we are having here, right here in the land, Eswatini. Stay tuned.
Situation in front of us, and I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you be with me.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm really great. Can you please introduce yourself to our viewers back at home, what your name is and why are you here?
Okay, my name is Chungidla Mina. I come from all the way from Babane, Eveni, and I'm here for fashion, lifestyle, and food. It's a gold race. We have to be here.
All right, that's awesome. I'm sure Mbugelo Losekaya ufuna kwathi ukuthi what is so special about such an event, most especially because it's not a well-known event. What can you say about that?
So no, we're so excited to be here. I work for the Tourism Authority, so seeing such events for us means a lot. Meaning, emaswati ayaphuma adovakasha etengaphandle. So far nokuthi iDurban July yethu, as you know, ukuthi iqala kancane eDurban ba race ngemahashi. So here Dimbuti uyabheja nje na ku VIP, ubheje ngembuti yakho, na iwina you get something. So we're so excited to see Maswati aswengile amahle. So we're here to have fun basically.
All right, that's awesome. And I'm sure you're also looking the part. I'm sure as you also. So what inspired the outfit today and what can you say maybe just to encourage other people that can have other things tourism events like so eMaswati to just take advantage of such opportunities?
eMaswati sithi akaphume etindlini. Uyabona uhlele endlini depression. Four walls. No. We're saying abaphume baswenge. So item here this year, your gold race, it's a Royal Casino. So today I'm a fly, as you can see. I'm all black and white, so cut lami let's fly. So you can see I'm a fly. So nje namhlanje sithi angiphume ngibe muhle ngiswenge, ngisupport umcimbi weMaswati because Mhlume Country Lodge yakhelwe eMaswati ukuthi eMaswati akaphume. So it's so beautiful to see eMaswati outside aphumile aswengile. Sithi Mhlume gold race. Thank you so much.
Buhle Betfu, it is really exciting. We are here at the gold racing competition and right now next to me I have the first winner of today's competition here. She's so excited, but I can tell that you can see it for yourself.
Ngiyaphila kunjani baba?
Ngiyaphila nami ngicela ukuthi introduce kumbukeli waBuhle Betfu ekhaya ukuthi ngabe ngibani igama lakho sibongo neke ukuthi ingabe ngiphi imbuti vele lobo bekele ithuba kiyo ukuthi ingawini.
My name is Batobile Gunene and my goat was goat number 9, Queen B, and we took it.
That's awesome. So now, is it your first time coming here, and how has been the experience here? Most especially because you are the first winner of this competition today. How are you feeling?
I'm excited, as you can see. I haven't been here for a long time, so I'm yet to see what the day has in store for me. But I'm sure it's going to be a great day. I'm up to a great start already. So it's going to be a great day, obviously.
All right, that's awesome. So now one last thing. What can you say to our viewers back at home just about the whole experience? You know, it's a first of its kind to have something like this. Is there something called goat racing? All that they know about is Durban July. I'm sure you look even nice. So what can you say about that, having things like this in the country?
I'd say, guys, let's go out there, experience something different. If you can't go to Durban, Durban is here with us already. So come out and enjoy yourselves, guys.
Of course, you can even prove it by the champagne.
You have my heart inside, but you played it with a beating, beating.
Buhle Betfu, we are still on the winner's circle, talking to the people that are really looking amazing here and that are proud of themselves concerning the results. Can you please introduce yourself to our viewers back at home, what your name is and what is it that you do?
My name is Nomfundo Mamba. I'm from Babane, Lomkiri Township. I'm just here to explore fashion, food and style. That's all about today. The goats are amazing. People are winning great prizes, but it's all about promoting Eswatini tourism. So I would say Emaswati, let's do it. Tourism is the best thing that we can do to improve our economy. So come, let's enjoy, guys.
If there's one thing that I picked out of this conversation, it is when you mentioned fashion, the way that your face lit up. So now tell us about this outfit that you're having today. What inspired the outfit and what can you say about it?
Oh my God, today the theme was about all the Royal Casino theme. So I look like a jokey. So I'm a joker, guys, for today, yes. This is all about being a joker.
All right, so is this your first time coming here for this goat racing experience? And what is it that you can say to encourage other people that might not know anything about this event, that might want to come maybe in the coming years?
Oh yeah, it's my first time today, but I heard it through social media, and it's amazing, guys. It's our only Durban July for now, but for it to go big, let's come in numbers, and we are enjoying. It's extremely fun. So I would say people must come. It is amazing.
Buhle Betfu, we are still enjoying ourselves right here at Mhlume Country Club. It's the gold race experience. It's a wonderful place, as you can see, wonderful activities going on. Let's just take a short break, and I believe that there is still a whole lot more of exciting stuff that we're bringing on Buhle Betfu after this short break. Stay tuned.
Sothandwela mbona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena mbona wena wedwa sothandwela mbona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena wedwa angifuna omunye umuntu.
All right, we are still here on the winners circle with our winners and also our aspiring winners. Right now, I'm here with a winner. We want to hear from her how she feels about this whole experience. Number 8, from Can you please tell us your name and where you're coming from?
I'm Stacy in Tabangulu.
All right. How are you feeling about this awesome achievement that you've just had here?
I am very, very excited. Ngiyacala kuwina empilweni yami. Mina ngembudi, so I shothi lo mnyaka ngiwuphetha kahle.
All right, that's awesome. So what can you say to our viewers back at home just to encourage them on attending such events? Because I'm sure this is an event that many people might not know about that much.
All I can say is make sure that next year you're here. It's so much fun. I didn't think I was going to win, and I won. From nowhere in Winile, so it's fun. So definitely be here next year.
Winning for the first time,
Yes.
of course. Buhle Betfu at Bonella, it's lit, it's happening, it's amazing. People are winning here. You might be the next one to win. Make sure that you do visit Mhlume Country Club next year when we're having something amazing like this. Unjani ma?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila nami bengicela ukuthi introduce kubabukeli bekhaya ukuthi ngibani ligama lakho sibongene ukuthi ngabe what inspired you to come to this awesome event today?
Okay, ligama lami ngihlengiwe Lukhele from Mananga border, the nearest border from Mhlume. So lokuye kwenteke kusenda nathi tourism ibe secepesha lesetulu nathi siligede kungenisa abantu nekhipha abantu kwenda sibone ukuthi abantu bayangena and kusinyusela kakhulu umnotho wethu.
No right, ingabe khona inhlabe wena imbudi lo ibhejele njengoba ubona nje la sime khona kusewina sekhle shothi abantu labanelithemba ukuthi batawina nalese bavele bawinile. What can you say about that? Uhamba na yiphi wena namuhla?
Mina ngihamba neyazandezo lele nemapompom ngiyona mbudile ngibhejele leyo angifuni ke ngihlaze besidla tshani.
All right, mhlawumbe ungathini bagabe egcina khuthatha babukele ekhaya ngale event lesinayo mhlawumbe labanye abantu abadi kahle ngayo ukuthi yini gold racing nekwekuthi mhlawumbe bangasupporta kanjani lento lenhle lendeka la Mhlume.
Siyabonga nje kubabukela ekhaya ngicela ukuthi siboyi supporta info lenjena inika naligunya lekuthi ubone tinfo nalobongeke utati noma sohambe etindzaweni letinye kuyakwenda ukuthi ukubone lokho ukuthi no uyakwati lokho ungakhona ukungenela nawe kusasa utikhanze sosendzaweni lenye ngoba lokho kukufakela exposure etintweni letinengi.
We are still on the gold racing competition right here at the Mhlume Country Club, and right next to me you can see mom is looking so good. Unjani ma?
Ngiyaphila my son, how are you?
I'm really good. Can you please tell babukele ekhaya how are you feeling right now just ngekuthi wena ulana namuhla to experience such a wonderful event?
No, the feeling is unexplainable actually because ngilimele, but I'm actually dancing. So wonderful, Shem. I'm so happy.
So are you expecting to win lenye imbudi nawe noma what is happening ubhejile yini make na ubhejile futhi ubhejile number bani because I'm sure nami ngilele ngayibhejela leyo.
Mina, I came here as a winner. As I speak, I came here as a winner. There was a competition here. We were writing stories about goats, and my goat actually won. So my goat was toothless. So I've already won.
All right, that's awesome. So what can you say maybe to encourage people that might be watching this about such events? Jengoba usho ukuthi you've already had a winning story now, which is still connected to such events. So ngathini khutsata babukele ekhaya ngeke bathi attend the event fana nje bavule emehlo bavule tindlebe and take part in such things.
No, babukele, please do come and support. This is our thing. This is our country, our thing. We're trying to improve and very businesses. I'm happy and I'm very much happy with this one.
No one
Buhle Betfu, standing beside me is one of the organizers of this awesome event. It's the Gold Racing 2023. How are you doing this evening, sir?
I'm all right, thanks to yourself, sir.
I'm all right. Can you please introduce yourself to our viewers, the viewers of Buhle Betfu? Who are you and what is it? What's your responsibility in this amazing event that we're having here?
All right, so my name's Oliver, and I'm the manager of Mhlume Country Club, and I'm the organizer, the sole organizer of this event.
Wow, that's amazing. Maybe somebody back at home would like to know what does it take to pull together such an awesome event, especially because this is not the first time it's happening here.
Long hours, dedication, a lot of planning, and a lot of teamwork.
Wow, that's really amazing. So if we look at the two events that you've had, what can we say has been different about this one, most especially when it comes to the turnout from the members of the public, maybe even encouraging our viewers how they can support this event more because it's one of its kind, honestly.
Okay, so well, this year I was quite impressed and appreciative of everyone who did come through. We've got about triple the numbers we had last year. But anyone else who would like to come next year, it is an annual event. We do it once a year. We're going to try to do it on the same date the next year as well. So anyone who does want to come through, we have general access and VIP access. If you want to be seen, come to the VIP. Free drinks, free food. It's always a good time.
All right, there's one aspect of this thing that actually really messed me up a bit. It's not just about the goats, there's also the fashion aspect of things, which is something that people are really enjoying about it. So how did that come about and how has been the collaboration with other people in light of that?
Well, we know what people like, and we know people like to dress up. And events like this, being able to dress up and show off, is something people want, so we give it to them.
Today, we just want to tell you that the traveling has not stopped. Exploring the land of Eswatini has not stopped. We are here around the Skupe area. You know what is so important about this place? We have KM3 Airport right next to where we are. We are visiting a place called Wanaka Estate Lodge. Estate Guest Lodge, that's the proper word for it. And we just want to see what do they have to offer to the members of the public, especially in such a wonderful location. Let's see what they have for us, and I'm sure you're gonna love this.
Wanaka basically is about relaxation. This is a place that is offering that peace and tranquility. If you just want to relax, come to Wanaka. You will get that relaxation, you will get that heaven of peace that will ensure that you unwind, you connect with self, and you live refreshed and rejuvenated. We have rooms. Basically, our rooms are such that they are to meet individual needs. Okay, so we have rooms that are just basic at entry point, and then we have our retreat rooms, and we also have our family rooms. Okay, our family rooms, they take 4 people per night. We also have family rooms that are self-catering. All our rooms, they have Wi-Fi, they have a smart TV, they have aircon, and then they have coffee and tea elements. And then we have our retreat room. That one will have a bar fridge, it will have a microwave, and it also allows you to cook for yourself, self-catering. Yes. And then our family rooms themselves, they also have a bar fridge and microwave. And here you are allowed to bring your own meals. We do offer breakfast and dinner, but you are free to bring your own meals. At the moment, we offer breakfast and we offer dinner to all those that are booked with us. Basically, we are working on having amenities that will complete our package, which is about relaxation. So we are going to have those amenities, okay, that will allow us to give that hospitality, that will engrave a unique experience in the heart and mind of every guest that visits us. So basically, those that get to come and be accommodated here with us, it's business travelers, the leisure travelers, and airport users. Okay, yes. So business travelers, they just need accommodation. In the morning, they get breakfast and they go. But those that come for leisure, okay, we do allow them to have, their braai. They can braai here. And those that come, like we host families, those that come in groups, families, friends, colleagues, yes, we make them to play games. Coming from the airport, we are just 5 kilometers from the airport. Yes, we are. When you are driving from the airport going to Mpaka filling station, it's just the first turn off from the road. So we are behind Suludane Primary. Okay. And then when you are coming from the Mpaka filling station, you take the road going to the airport. When you've driven just about 4 kilometers, you will then see the turn off. We have a website. It's www.wanaka-estate-guesthouse.com. We can also be contacted via email. Our email is admin@wanaka-estate-guesthouse. We can be contacted by cell phone number. Our number is 7669-1335. It's either you call us or you WhatsApp us. We have a Facebook page. We are on Instagram. We are on Airbnb. We are also advertised on Expedia. You can also find us on Google My Business. We are on Africa Directory, and you can also type hotel near me. You will also find us.
I'm sure you have enjoyed Buhle Betfu, everything that is so exciting and captivating and exhilarating that we brought for you right here on today's episode of Buhle Betfu. We will continue following us on all our social media platforms. That is our YouTube, that is our Facebook. Make sure that you talk to us. Tell us of these amazing places and events that you can visit in the country. I am very certain that we are going to bring them right here on Buhle Betfu so that you can see and of course show others how Eswatini is so exciting and captivating. Until next week, same time, same place. Goodbye.